let us do chapter 5, The Giant Mouse. Okay, so by the title we know that the story is about mouse. Okay, let us read the dialogues. Here there are mice and here there is a cat. Okay, we must do something about that tawny cat. So these mice are thinking that we should do something about this tawny cat. Tawny means a cat with yellow and brown color. Okay, next. Quickly the mice ran away into the bushes before the cat could catch them. So all the mice were fearing that the cat will catch them. So they ran away behind the bushes so that the cat will not be able to catch the mice. It's bad in the garden. We want to eat picnic food, but the cat gobbles up everything he sees. So this mice is saying that it is very annoying or sad that there is a cat in the garden, as it eats all the food, picnic food in the garden. What people do, they make picnic, so there is some picnic food left over. So the cat gobbles up means that it eats very fast all the food that is available in the garden, but the mice also want to eat that food, so they are not able to do that. We can't get into the kitchen and eat the cake crumbles and biscuits. So they were also sad that the cat goes into the kitchen and have cake crumbs and biscuits. They are not able to have that also. Then he is everywhere. So this mice is saying that the cat goes everywhere. There is no place where mice can have their food. Then this bird is speaking. Listen, he'll gobble you up too. Be careful. So this bird is making aware to the mice that that cat can eat you all also. So be careful. The bird is right. We must do something soon. So the mice got the point that bird is right. The cat can also eat us. So we should do something for that. The next. Just then a large round thing passed overhead. So over their head something this arrived. So this mouse is speaking, don't worry, it's only a hot air balloon. So this is a hot air balloon, but other mice were getting scared of that. Okay. In the next few minutes, giant balloons of all shapes and sizes floated across the sky. As you can see in the picture that all these balloons came up over their head. They were of different shapes and sizes. Aren't they beautiful? The mice said. All the mice said that they are looking very beautiful. They are, and they have given me a great idea. So by looking at these hot air balloons, this mouse had a great idea. Let's see what is the idea. I need 6 strong mice right away. We are going to buy a balloon. So one of the mouse said that I want 6 strong mice. So strong mice means that who can pick up heavy things. So mouse wanted those 6 mice, so that the mouse decided to buy one such hot air balloon. Okay. The cat was fast asleep. He was snoring in the warm sun. He did not notice the balloons as they floated by. So now the cat was sleeping as it had a great food. So he was sleeping in the warm sun. Okay, and he didn't notice the hot air balloon in the sky as the cat was sleeping. Next, after some time, the 7 mice came back with a large parcel and a huge ball of thread. They began to open the parcel. So the mice that went in the market to get the hot air balloon has come back with a parcel and a thread. Okay, let's start pumping. So the mouse said they have bought the hot air balloon, so they have to blow the air in that. So that is pumping. What is it? Then other mice is asking that what is it in the parcel. It's a special balloon. It will scare that wicked cat. So that there was a hot air balloon of the shape mouse. So by this the cat will get scared. This was their idea. Okay. Oh, it's a giant mouse and it's bigger than that tawny cat. So it was much more bigger than that tawny cat. By looking at this, the tawny cat will get scared. This was their idea. Next, the giant mouse balloon slowly rose into the air. The cat was still asleep. So the balloon was in the air. They have pumped it up. So it was in air. but the cat was still asleep. The tawny cat lazily opened one eye. The great balloon gave him a fright. He jumped with all four paws in the air. So by looking at that balloon, the cat got scared. See how he is jumping. Fright means scared. Okay, so he jumped with all his four paws. Okay, like this, that is shown in the picture. Okay, I'll never again chase mice. So the cat was scared after looking this big hot air shaped of mouse. So then the cat decided that I will never chase the mice. That is, the cat will never eat the mice or run after the mice. How the mice cheered and cheered at last. They were safe. So after listening to the cat's statement, all the mice were very happy and they were cheering. They were shouting with happiness. Okay, so this is the story about the giant mouse.